Welcome to our hotel room at Quais De Lutece at Parc Asterix.
Wow, looks nice.
There's no side there.
That's your bunk bed.
Oh, you've got a bunk
You get the stuff in?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a family room with, actually that looks like a king size bed. That looks lovely and comfortable. Little area to make tea and coffee. We have a nice view. There's a TV.
Show TV.
What do we think's in here?
Oh, hi. Toilet.
Ooh,
Toilet!
how do we turn the light on?
Do it. You can.
It's a shower room.
Just shower, no toilet.
Well, the French like to have their toilets separate. They don't like to have their toilets in with the bath. I'm guessing this is the toilet. Ta-da! Toilet. What's behind this curtain?
It's just showers.
Wardrobe. Oh, there's a safe. That's good. There's even a little fridge, so we can put our drinks in. Let's have a look in here. Ah, oh, it's cute. Bunk bed. And a little window. Corridors are nice, and each room is so far from each one. All the way down to the next door. It's a long corridor with not many doors.
Those two. They're really close together.
Yeah, but they're opposite, so it doesn't matter, does it? We're going to go find somewhere to have a nice drink now, aren't we? After our long journey. Lifts. You thought there was a pool. You're going to go swimming in the lake. I think the temperature is going to take some getting used to, isn't it?
I wouldn't want to live in France, would you, really?
Well, we lived there for 14 years. You didn't though. I love these little touches. Oh, lilies. Little boats. Oh, I've just spotted a cute dog.
So fine.
Can you see him?
Yeah. I'm going to go to it.
It's so well themed. Loving it. And this is the way to Parc Asterix.
Let's go meet the dog.
Go meet the dog. He's probably got a name.
Yeah.
There's 2 levels. Well, actually, we found 3 levels of rooms, didn't we?
No dog.
There's like fake fish up there. That is so cool. Very clever. There's a couple of cute bridges as well. Look how cute. Just love the theming.
Well, that'd be a nice room.
Do you think that's a really posh room? It looks massive. Oh, bless you.
I can tell when the sun's out with the sneezes.
Yep, you always sneeze when the sun's out, don't you? We did just walk into the sun. So the restaurant's over there. That's for breakfast and dinner.
Are we going there tonight?
Yeah, 7 o'clock. It says it opens at 7. Let's go find some nice cold drinks, shall we? Look at the end bit with all the sacks and the barrels. So they've got cocktails with and without alcohol. Without it's €7.50 and with is between €9.90 to $12.90. I'll take anything that's cold. This is the bar. There's plenty of seats, isn't there? It's nice and cool, isn't it? You're not picking it up? Go. I'll take it in. Cheers. Looks nice, doesn't it? Our dinner's a buffet.
interesting starting.
Interesting, Jamie. Very adventurous. I think Mummy's been a bit more adventurous than you. Walking to the fireworks from the hotel. It's actually taken quite a while. We've been walking for quite a while now. They start at 10:15. We haven't actually got park tickets, but they say you can watch them without a park ticket. So let's see how it goes. It's cooled down a lot now, hasn't it? Sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all up nice and early. So you just met one of the characters. Now we're going to walk to the park again, aren't we?
Yeah.
The park opens early for hotel guests at 9:30. So here we go.